This dressing stick feels very durable and strong. This entire piece is made out of metal. The shoehorn and the S-hook is made out of stainless steel. Right here is a rubber end cap, can be removable and be placed here if you like. This is for extra grip. The rod itself is hollow inside, which makes this stick very light, but that does not compromise its durability. The exterior of this rod is an anti-slip grip foam, which feels very nice and comfortable. This is super easy to use. Let me show you a quick demo.